Our leak survey team monitors our natural gas system year-round to identify and repair small leaks early before they become a bigger issue. It's all part of how we protect customers as well as the environment. Some of the responsibilities of leak survey include mobile surveys, which are performed with an Eversource vehicle that uses leak detection equipment to identify any gas readings in the area. Walking surveys. A technician will carefully walk along the path of a service line on a customer's property with a gas detector to detect the presence of a gas leak. It is important for the technician to additionally check a customer's meter set for any abnormal operating conditions. Leak investigation. When a gas leak is found during a survey, the technician will investigate the area using a combustible gas indicator. During the investigation, the technician will determine if the leak is hazardous and report it to gas dispatch to coordinate an immediate repair. If the leak is determined to be non-hazardous, it will be re-inspected until repairs are made. The leak survey group is additionally responsible for inside pipe inspections, winter patrols, bridge inspections, encroachments, and public building and business district surveys. These inspections are a critical component to Eversource's pipeline safety program.